Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know, my usual ring light area in our apartment. So tonight we are going out just to chill with Stacy. Finally I get to up with Stacy, so you guys will see that. And what else? Yeah, that's it for tonight. Never vlogged early on, wasn't really doing anything, just was home watching movies and sleeping. So waiting on Evon to finish. So you shut him to finish. I'm gonna wait for you to finish. So we're heading out, and then we're going to pick up Stacy. Now we just got to go eat and chill, talk, catch up, you know, the regular. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hi guys, and I'm here with Stacy. Hi. Okay, I'm right now. So we are at South Avenue Grill. So we're at South Avenue Grill, and
what was the event?
Just a chill out and talk.
Okay.
The water and the ice is filled.
Okay. Do you have lemon?
No lime, no lemon, only juice, lime juice.
Okay.
A good girl. She knows a man, nothing from no straw. She a good youth. She a good youth. She a good youth.
So
I never see that before.
no, I never seen before.
Oh, she deserves. What she done to her?
She work out for her tip.
Yeah, she had a look when I was in
Conversation really
Yeah.
what was happening before we did discuss.
So let me show you the place.
Now we talk about it. Yeah,
that's the environment we're in. Can I get quesadilla? Okay, hi to you. And you couldn't stay on the phone for wait for you the hi back, or you couldn't tell me when you never on the phone say you say hi something, you say hi back.
So stop over kind of pass over cool place.
No.
There's already outside, so you have to disrupt.
Okay.
I'll find a drive up and
you know, right? So what you gonna have? You can't even show on the menu. Like, no make no sense. It's dark.
it's a very dark place.
The menu dark, the area dark. You don't understand.
Yeah. If I'm
Them
not
that
like
thing about
it
it.
exists, we're not too black.
Yeah.
It's not black friendly.
So let's try go through the menu.
You have to use your phone flashlight.
So this is what the menu is like. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I'm just showing you. That's what the menu is like. So Stacy is vegetarian.
I know.
So
I'm vegetarian. I know.
but you have people who are vegetarian and fatter than you.
That's the irony. Everybody say.
Everybody say that?
No, them give me the vegetarian. Them give me the look. And then they always ask, how long?
Really?
Yeah, up to last week. Vegetarian?
No, son.
How long? Yeah.
But you're vegetarian, you eat ice cream, you eat cake,
That's
so
what I have to explain.
what it means vegetarian.
That's not meant to explain. It's not like a
Exactly.
or like it's not like a vegan.
You just don't eat meat.
Exactly. I'm gonna cut between Irish pasta or vegetarian.
I'm not even know what to eat. I don't want a burger for one. Grilled stuff. I don't want a teriyaki chicken. You can't eat lobster and shrimp and onions something. And I don't eat pork. So all this lamb chop sitting on them something I'm not gonna eat it either, so we'll probably end up having pasta too. The spicy pasta, I had that the last time. Some spicy pasta. The beef pepper jack. I think that's what I'm having. That's what I'm gonna have. I know what I'm going to have. To eat. What to drink? I would want a mojito, but I know they're going to tell me they don't have any mint. What do you want to have? Yeah, look odd. You look focused like yeah, study.
I'm gonna try the grilled teriyaki chicken.
You tried that once?
It's still on the list.
You tried that once, you know that?
Because it's either that or pasta. I'm not.
Everybody have pasta, you don't want to eat pasta?
Yes, I want to try something different. I'm choosing chicken just to be different.
Everybody can be the same. What's wrong with being the same?
I don't have a problem. Do you have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem.
So I just like you. Would you have a problem?
Of course I don't have a problem if you just like me. Why would you want to just...
Not in your clothes, but so I match your colors.
I wouldn't have a problem with that.
That's what I mean. You could just
no, but you said dress like me. You have to be specific.
No.
Girl clothes.
Exactly. If you said dress like me, I mean
if
dress...
I color match then
I wouldn't have an issue with that. Being color match is not an issue. Dressing like me is an issue.
Yeah, I wouldn't really go on that road. Left that to you and Stacy. Who, by the way, will be having pasta. Really?
I think I just gonna have something.
Mojito, take a mojito.
They won't have any mojito.
Try it, mint season style.
Alright, we'll ask them if they have mojito, but I'm sure they don't have none.
Because I mean, they have a big enough menu, but enough things that we can eat. Me want to eat.
I think I'm gonna have cheese stick though for my appetizer. I want.
And have no wings.
Yeah, who don't have wings? Like, how?
That makes sense because holiday, everybody have the time to come by after wings.
Yeah, everybody buy it.
So I'm gonna have mozzarella cheese stick.
Well, the pasta has been shrimp in it. Pasta.
No, you can ask if you want shrimp, because I know. Remember the last time?
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, they have a difference. Depends on what you want.
Yeah.
The shrimp is so expensive. I take a lot of it.
Go ahead. No, we're not touch after you don't need that. You can't kill me. I'm not gonna get one little belly, brush belly. It's so dark though. But we.
It's a nice ambient light.
Yeah, it's nice for dining.
Yeah, it's nice for dining, but it's not nice for my vlog.
You understand me flashlight?
Yeah.
No, people are gonna look like, why she have the camera in front of her and why am I looking at the flashlight or flashlight?
Let me listen to closer.
Yes, much better.
Idea.
No, give me light. The candles. Some candlelights.
Okay, so yes, something aside from that, like she should understand that as your friend.
Freddo, fettuccine. What is the difference from?
You should know that about a person. I already had this problem.
Fettuccine. Chicken pesto.
So we're gonna look over once and then we'll come to you guys when we are done.
Hey vlog world.
You look nice.
Yeah, Yes, this way. This way has the lights.
Yeah, that's why she kept bringing up oil.
Oh my god.
Really?
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
The camera's flying.
Oh my word. Oh my word.
You can't take it.
At Devon House.
It didn't happen.
KK is vlogging.
You need stuff like that, yeah?
Yes.
Let me know.
Box said.
Your wish.
We have food. Everybody eat pasta.
So good.
Like one mountain at least.
Yeah. Like
Table
everyone
special.
won't look like cheesy. Everyone won't look cheesy than all of ours.
Mine don't even
Like
look
then
like
dash
cheese.
away. Then dash away cheese like this.
Mine, you get my serving.
What do you get the what's left?
I'm getting serving a cheese.
I him probably him first or last get it. And I
Yeah.
just throw out everything.
Shit, man. Low key.
Oh, tequila.
White rum.
Yes,
Trust me, I didn't miss the white rum.
that's very good.
Lime juice.
Very good. That's what you
I
need.
just and vodka. It's
That's
just,
why you didn't need.
I just the tequila make it a little bit over the dead yard liquor. Yeah, video.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to
I have a
YouTube
video
channel.
on channel. So.
If you if like I'm that drink this.
Yeah.
My video channel.
I mean, I think that's for the thing over there, so I start slur too. Not talk loud.
Yeah, shut up, no, that's true. I mean,
It's very server.
I need a voice. I have a voice now. After such a lame day, eh? After such a lame day. Yeah. Can't come here and not go home happy.
Thank you very much, Michelle.
You're very welcome.
You've been a great waitress.
You can put these two together.
In one bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, to the same place. I mean, one of the woman.
I don't know.
And giggle. Yeah, just push over your food.
I can't bother. I can't bother. Mm-mm.
Can I get this too?
You put them back this one.
You have finished eating, right?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, can I get a bit?
You put them back this one.
It's not black out, nothing. Nah, what's up?
We're gonna
make
we'll
things
get tips
worse.
up. We're gonna go to pay.
Make it worse. It make me look more high.
Hmm?
Make
You make me look more high.
No.
Make it worse.
Yeah, shut up.
What was the question answer?
But I actually say if we get tips on here,
Oh, I have a question now.
as a matter of fact, I'm know some place not like when you
Them take out a percentage out of them tip.
the tip right.
Yeah, that's why, yeah, if you give them it that way, then
Through
you
the
don't,
machine.
yeah, don't do it through. That's why I said don't
Yeah,
give it to
see
the
money
machine.
person went up to them and gave them it must be because of that.
Yeah, don't give them to the machine. Because them I take for them out of it.
So I then get a percentage of the percentage.
Mm-hmm. So that's why you give them personally with cash. So
But I get it. I like Coach Steve. She tell her name. Normally when me and Kay go out, not every day, but we go out, you know. And not everybody come to me and say,
that one.
But we don't go out every day.
my name is.
But they don't. They
Whatever.
should. Then
They should. And me personally, if they don't do it, no, we say, what's the name? You know?
You
So they not tell
actually
me the
care
name.
so much.
Yeah.
Can't everyone love have conversations?
You
That's everyone.
can't test this. When I go, I said, what's the name? Because they will just come and share it. I'll be a waiter tonight. I'm saying like, okay, what's the name? You want me just call a waiter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You really want to ask them like
Yeah.
professional kind of?
Yeah, like
You can't,
after
like,
me leave
remember
here
name.
tonight, I will
No,
not.
I can't remember my name.
You not
After
remember
me
her
leave
name,
tonight,
you
I'm
know,
not gonna remember, but
he wants her
No,
for
I
the day.
remember after she told me. 'cause
Exactly.
I never remember until him say it like,
I
thank you. She
remember
was like,
because that's something to me like. That's something like to me.
that's great. That's something to you.
I mean, feel like it's not it's more personal. I mean, like when we go to eat, I'm spending money. I have a personal relationship with it. Some guys say, hey, your food never good. Give a little extra on it or something.
Have you always want extra drink? I don't know the drinks are good.
When I get extra food, but they will put the
Yeah,
extra
almost
rum in it.
finished.
Yes, bro, this shit was there. I've got to make some time. I'm crazy for one thing.
Me, postpaid.
Yeah, most made. Oh, you're good. We got called tonight. I want to make sure say you're reaching soon. I stormed out the front that we find.
You're trying to get a storm.
The storm of a girl leave, I would have you know.
Oh my god. OMG. Just hurry.
So everyone is a bit tipsy except me, guys. I don't know. They're all tipsy. And I'm here like, where's my tipsiness?
That's why you should buy Long Island ice. Or is it any?
No,
Long
this
Ice,
is,
yeah.
that's not a Long Island. That's a Pepsi and
Yeah, this is dead yard liquor. With a touch of tequila in it.
yeah.
That's why,
Make it
and
bougie.
that's why you buy dead yard liquor with tequila in it. That's why you buy it.
Yeah, so everybody on high and I'm on
tequila at home if anything.
low. But somebody has to be the responsible one.
Foolish drinks.
No, but one of us have to be responsible.
None of them have to be responsible.
What?
When you reach 38,
I'm gonna say
responsibility is licking when you reach 30.
responsibility is kicking when you have a child.
When you have a child, we don't have a chicken or a child.
No, not even a pet.
We don't.
So what happened to Sky?
We don't have a pet. We don't have a pet. Yeah.
You don't need to be responsible.
She had to go to the vet the other day and spend money.
Yeah, man. And
Take
I'm not
care.
even being responsible. Like that guy's like, oh God, what are they having? Let's have that. Every minute him look.
Because these people are too happy. When it's happy.
Him will leave your fun. I guess my ear, we're not trying to come back. Don't look back there. Enjoy your day. But I'm thinking that he's wondering what we're having.
Because it might be a good too.
I can't believe this.
At home. After party, not nothing.
Only small bottle of wine would have opened.
For a long time. Because I could drive straight down on it. Oh wait. I'm gonna go Poverty and go Malay. And then come
But yes,
back.
a bomb can do that, bomb can. Well,
I go to Malay. Let's go to Malay and then come back Boulevard and go home. Go home.
no, see how you can go down. I guess down instead of.
As in good. Yeah, let's go
I'm gonna go
Poverty.
find
And done Robin.
Yes, I just fast you fast.
What did you have?
That will make it never reach
I'm gonna go eat the sweetie then. They give you sweetie after you finish. That is nice. And then cool.
Yeah, go to the fridge and
Yeah.
she double up the amount. She never get the head count. No time to get the exact amount.
Really?
2 persons, 2 sweet.
They normally give 2 here. Can put it in the bag. If I can open it. Oh, put it in your pocket. Yeah.
Can't believe this. When I drink Pepsi, I'm coming here so.
Go drink Pepsi in a room.
And look at the look how much Pepsi too. I'm gonna drink Pepsi.
1 glass full of Pepsi.
After today, the back to not drinking Pepsi.
I have a bad experience with Pepsi.
It just tastes too bad.
You just start drinking there, so I just finish.
Yeah, I mean, even if I didn't start, I couldn't waste it. I mean,
it's a big ass glass and you full it to the brim.
yeah.
Because I'm sitting there right at the brim. I was like,
Yeah, everybody from room.
You know what I normally do? Ask the bartender for the leftovers.
Oh,
they
class
make
and
it
pour and then yeah.
Some I always leave.
normally what they do the leftovers, them drink it themselves.
Or them pour it out.
Or them treatment.
If they not have the time, then pour it out.
I mean, just I was actually.
They're not supposed to drink too much, don't they?
I'm not supposed to drink it all.
But then I would taste it. We catch them alone and then pour it on their shot glass and
Yeah,
or then
or
put it
put
on the
it
back of
on
their hand. So even if they take it a little bit, if they take out the amount of drink but then serve for the night, they must start feel some type of way.
Especially because they mix.
And they mix everything, red rum, yellow tail,
Yellow belly.
yellow tail, Moscato.
So Roma talking to them.
I'm not talking no.
Rum, vodka, and tequila, sir.
And tequila. I never said they put tequila in it.
Rum, vodka, and
Well,
tequila.
so tequila to me.
I know.
You know? You never finish again. I have like a Pepsi in the fridge.
I don't want no Pepsi.
Oh, you
Never seen me drink
cranberry?
Pepsi.
You want cranberry?
No, tequila alone.
Tequila shot. Take a tequila shot.
Yeah, you take a tequila shot, take a shot with me.
I don't want to catch up with you. Tomorrow, I don't want to have no hangover tomorrow. I feel dry.
I go feel normal.
You're not going to feel normal. I'm going to feel groggy.
You make sure you fix my grog again.
Is there water? Okay.
It's okay.
I'll give you some water this time. I'll punch your first.
Especially the fall off of his face. Understand that? His face is late.
Yeah, the style was fade. You know the style. Because when you reach home, you wash off your face.
Yep.
Real quick.
No, I'm going out. Where you out of that?
You're going out now?
Magnum on top of this?
Yes, Magnum. I like drink Magnum. Like, can't drink more than like 2 or so.
Right, when I almost 100, we drink 3.
3 one time.
When we show me it busting on my head the next
Yeah,
day,
man.
I was so confused.
You can't
They
drink.
serve me last my phone. I get them put it in the pocket. Go away, they talk now.
And that's why sometimes it takes you. You can't find it. You can't drink 3 Magnum. You can't drink. After I drink 2, my head like.
What? When me in a relationship, I know that somebody sick. Like, we have somebody 6, maybe. I've done more than next one. Oh my god. And you know, so you, like you're safe, you know, you can indulge because everyone have you. Oh my god.
I mean, have Evan.
No, me have your place.
Yeah.
Separate man. Me have you. Me have the same name. Oh,
my
that's
God.
the same man.
See my card.
We really cherish her.
Yeah, me too.
No, not even just us, the table behind me, like all 4 of them are like, I see how you know. I call you.
Who are you,
They shook like shook.
who are you calling?
Anyone who is supposed to be called. Person that should be called is getting called.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Any of them souvenir shop you try to get sales.
Yeah, they do. But them expensive. So when I get one sale, it's like you already get a rent.
Like days worth of sales, man.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking attentive, man.
Hi guys, so we are on our way to a party at Devon House. Yeah, make Stacy draw it out and we go party. So we're heading over there now. As you saw before, we had dinner with her, so we're going to party. We need to text her and find out which way we should be going, I guess, to find out where she is, because she's already here, I believe. So I'm gonna find her. I guess no message her now. Not message her now, because I'm gonna message she. When I find her, I'll get back to y'all. Yeah. Can't let me a ball out. Begging I'm off the ball out. Oh, you. So we just finished coming from the party. We are done. Well, I think I'll go Ruby's. I don't know. Oh, look at my clothes here. Ah. Fucking nice.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Feel like my clothes here. Yup, it's here. See? I wasn't looking.
You're like ratty chain, messing.
Sorry. Probably going to another party.
No.
If you want to say you're ratty chain, I must think him last him chain.
Yeah.
No, I'm say which chain. Whatever. Don't slap me.
Oh, you touch me so good, B.
Stop it.
I'm tired.
I'm not like, I look forward to Ruby's. Like, this is the first time I'm going, and I really want to go.
Really?
No, it's the first time I'm going and really want to go.
Oh, okay.
I don't mean it's the first time I'm going. I mean this first time I'm going and excited about going.
Oh, what? Where we park? So what episode?
Oh, it's a being black people.
I mean, cause you know why.
I'm so tired. I want to change my slippers. The slippers is so slidey.
You can't go home if you go like that.
I want to put on my sneakers or something.
The man is shaggy.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
But she called it red-handed.
The movie.
Oh my god.
Oh god, I'm tired.
Caught the reference.
Cause I don't know the song. Then just hear what they and when then re-up it.
And yo, everybody nice.
Me good.
By the way, where are we going?
I'm so
Ribbies, we're going Ribbies. Like 5, 4, 5.
Are you serious?
Choo-choo. I won't lie to you. I don't need to lie to you. I don't know you. Oh my word.
Exactly. Everybody go for Ribbies now.
Really? It's already packed. I'm gonna say it's already packed. Let me hate him.
Wish I carry my slippers now. Oh my god, the slippers. You want to go taboo? You know, your man say you want to go taboo.
No taboo, Ribbies! Yay! Yeah, like Ribbies.
Yo!
I guess.
No, I don't like everybody to like strippers. I don't like it.
Taboo!
No taboo.
I true she want him to go taboo so that.
Yeah, I know. I get what he's doing. I get what he's doing.
Up here on the park too?
Yeah, thank God. Because I'm just not following you.
Something.
I'm not like one more magnum and I don't know what's going to happen to me after.
Oh my god.
Taboo!
No?
Well, jockey back. Them what I go on, what I go on, try out this up. Jump up on the man.
We're not going in that car.
No, I'm not at the drain now. What she say, I put them in the drain.
Oh my god. So I guess we're going to Ribbies. I don't know if I can manage going to Ribbies, but hey, I think I'm partied out. Because them have alcohol and feelings this thing being good. Oh god. See you guys when I reach wherever I'm going to reach. Because I don't know. Where's my phone? Yeah, so see you guys whenever. See you guys when I reach wherever I'm going to reach, because I don't know where I'm going to reach. I want to go home though, but everybody kind of under the influence. I don't want to go out, go party more. I mean, it's like, bring me home. I want to go home, but we can't spoil the fun for everybody else, I guess. So we're going Ribbies. So them, you can drive off now, babe, because them nothing. Let's go up to them. what you want to do? You want to go to Ribby's?
Yeah, we pay for going to Ribby's now.
No, you don't pay for going to Ribby's now at all. That's why it's always full. You know, you could go so with. I like them going for the behind them or something. So I'm not there to go so, you know. But I tell you go so which part them there, because they're ready so.
Pay for the behind them?
Yeah. Or you want to go home?
I know sure Ribby's there.
Alright. Alright guys, so see you guys when I reach wherever I reach.
It's like
Go home or go to Ribby's. Let's see where we end up. My hair sweat out, like my lipstick gone, but my makeup is still there though. So let's see what's gonna happen. Put on your seatbelt, babe. Let's be decent. See them come. Decent people. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. So we ended up going to Ribby's, but I didn't vlog there because we didn't stay that long. I'm actually heading in now, and this is where I'm going to end the vlog. So I'll talk to you guys when I talk to you guys, or I'll see you guys when I see you guys. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys, because trust me, I'm going to just go wash out my face, I'm gonna lay down on my bed and go sleep. That's it. I'm tired, like I had fun. So yeah, bye guys.